Okay guys, today we got an unboxing. It's a Champion inverter generator. It's a 3400 watt starting watts and 3100 running watts. It's got an RV connector on it, and it's a quiet generator, 59 decibels at quarter load and 7.5 hours of runtime. And I think it's about 1.5 gallons or 1.8 gallon or something like that gas tank that comes in it. But we're going to do the unboxing of this now, and you can see what you get in it. It's got a kind of a reference guide on top of the box here, how many watts different types of things use, what the wattage is required by different items. And take a look in here, see what's all in here. Alright, here we go. Got a pretty thick piece of cardboard on top, and they come with here's your manual, something about a free t-shirt. If you leave a review, get a free t-shirt. On the side, it looks like you got a funnel for the oil and a pretty thick, like a cigarette lighter adapter with just the battery clips on it. And there's something else inside the funnel here. This is I guess this is the USB charger. Yep, USB charger, 2.4 amp on both of those. What else? That's a bag on it. See if I can get this out of here. Pretty heavy. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. I think it weighs about 80 pounds. I was able to get it out of there. It's kind of a rectangle, short generator. I'll get a tape measure on that. Okay, we'll get the measurements on it. Now this generator is a super good deal. They got it at Walmart.com right now for $700, free shipping, and it's a 3400 watt. The more common inverter Champion you see is a 3100 watt one. This one has a few more watts to it, and it's only $7.99. So good deal. So the width is 22 inches, and the height is about 18, and the depth is 17 inches. So it's a pretty good compact size. I don't see anything else in the box, just packing material. So I'm guessing you're going to need to provide your own oil. And I saw somewhere on here, yeah, right on tag here, it says 10W30. I'm not sure how much oil it takes. I think it's somewhere around a quart. Well, it says 10W30. Doesn't say synthetic, so I guess you could use conventional oil. Big filler here with filler has a strainer in it. It's got a little red ring there, so that's where you would fill to. There's something else, there's a vent in there, a vent tube. And it's got a chain on here to so you don't lose your lid. What else? I'll just show you some other features here. This is awesome. It's got a nice carry handle. And it's got two pretty good sized wheels on the back of it. Get you close up to that. The wheels are probably about 5 inches at least. Here's the panel. Pull cord. Here's your choke and your on position. Here's the choke. Here's your on and off. When you want to kill the motor. This is economy mode, on and off. There's your output indicator, overload indicator, little oil light. This is awesome. RV ready 30 amp outlet. There's circuit breakers right here. 30 amp circuit breaker for that one, 20 amp for these two. And all the outlets are covered with rubber covers. Two grounded 20 amp outlets, 120 volts. And what else? There's a circuit breaker here for the DC power. It says 12 volts DC. Let's see how many amps. Neutral floating. Here's where you connect a ground wire. It says neutral. I'm guessing you connect a ground wire to that though. And this is for parallel connections. These two here. So you can connect this in parallel, which I don't know if you need much more than 3,400 watts starting, and then 3,100 watts running is the maximum. Let's take a look around. There's the back side. It's got a, I'm guessing the hot air comes out here. It's got a fan in it. Here's the side where you want to service it. If you want to probably change the spark plug, air filter, etc. in there. That panel. And then on the side with the handle is the exhaust. And it's got a screen on the exhaust, so you're not throwing sparks into, if you have this near some grass or something flammable. I'll give you another look inside the gas tank here. There. Filter comes out. There's like a little vent tube there. Here it says the clearance is 5 foot minimum clearance on all sides. Okay guys, here's the little quick start they give you with the generator. This is it for the generator number here. And basically they say in here how much oil you need, where to put the oil in. The oil goes in behind that panel there, right here. It's got 2 screws on the top. And it looks like it takes just a little over half a quart, 0.6 quart. I'll show you how to fill it. You can use minimum octane 85 and no more than 10% ethanol. I use straight gas in all my small equipment like this, so I think it's better for them. The gas stays longer, it doesn't spoil so fast. And they also have an 800 number for customer care if you have any problems. And here they show you how to get the panel off. Danger, carbon monoxide. And then let's see if there's anything on the back. It's all in Spanish. On the back. Here's the paper. You get a free t-shirt if you leave them a review. And what else? Other papers. Here's the manual on it, owner's manual. They got 3-year limited warranty. It is made in China. Exploded view with all the parts right in there. It's got a wiring diagram, all the specs on the motor, the spark plug, etc. The weight. There's your maintenance and storage. I'll just flip through this real quick here. You can use full synthetic oil in here, 530 or 1030. Looks like. Okay. And one other paper came off here. Do not return this product to store. We're here to help. I heard the support line was really good for these. I watched a couple of reviews on Champion generators and it seems like a good product. Alright guys.